Over the years, tech startups and giants have come and gone. In the ever-changing world of technology, a company needs to do more than just keep up with the times in order to survive. With changing times and trends, we have seen even the top smartphone companies go bust, and the most promising products can end up obsolete in the blink of an eye. Hello everyone, I'm your host Shivani and you are watching our channel Tweak Library, and in this video we will talk about some of the top tech brands that pulled out of smartphone businesses. So let's get started. LG becomes first major smartphone brand to withdraw from market. Unsurprisingly, LG officially announced that its mobile division is shutting down. LG will provide service support and software updates for customers of existing mobile products for a period of time which will vary by region. The company also said that it's still going to be developing mobile technologies such as 6G. While LG smartphone business has struggled in recent years, it's responsible for a lot of innovation products. All of this is coming to an end, and LG says that it's going to finish winding down its smartphone business by the end of July, although there is still maybe inventory being sold off after that. Nokia was one of the most popular and leading mobile firm but still failed. And I'm sure you all know the reason for the downfall of Nokia. How did Nokia fail to nail the smartphone market? Samsung has launched the Samsung Android phones, which were cost-effective and user-friendly, when it was faced going to build for the touchscreen phones when the other brands were busy working on it. Nokia was in the mindset that the touchscreen concept will fail and people will come back to QWERTY keypad. But it was a huge misconception by Nokia, and Nokia failed in its assumptions. Then after Nokia made up to come back with the existing trend, its entrance was too late via the Windows platform. The operating system of Samsung and Apple was much advanced as compared to Nokia Symbian OS. Nokia, however, was unable to get up with these mighty giants and was one of the reasons for the collapse of Nokia Symbian OS. BlackBerry is also out of the smartphones manufacturing businesses. At one time, BlackBerry owned more than 50% of the globe's smartphone market. But what happened? Looking back, there were several factors that hurt the mobile. BlackBerry provides small QWERTY keyboards that made it easier to fire off emails and instant messages. It's easy to forget, but touchscreen phones were few and far between back then, and most people were far more comfortable using plastic keys and a little scroll bar. However, eventually smartphone users became comfortable with touchscreen devices and actually preferred them for the larger screens. But sadly, BlackBerry failed to notice the change. The company did try to turn the corner with BlackBerry 10 that allowed it to create full touchscreen devices with a more modern look and feel. But by then it was too late. Sony Ericsson. Similar to these tech giants, Sony has also vanished from the smartphone market. Sony is no stranger to success in the cell phone market. Riding on the popularity of its successful dumb phones, Sony Ericsson was unaware of the changing market due to the introduction of Android, which eventually led to Ericsson completely falling off the rails. Even when going solo, the reason Sony's smartphone weren't successful in the years that followed was the company's overall strategy for the mobile market. Sony, being a technology giant, wanted to become the Apple of Android by offering premium phones only, which was too much to ask for, considering Samsung was already a major player. After continued losses, Japanese tech giant Panasonic has also stopped sales of mobile phones. Panasonic is one of the several handset makers caught out by the meteoric rise of the two dominant smartphone makers, Apple and Samsung Electronics, which have upended the traditional hierarchy of mobile players. So these are some of the well-known mobile brands that have fallen from lofty heights and disappeared completely. What was your favorite brand which is no longer available in the market? Tell us in the comment section below. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.